You think the deepest terrors of the cosmos lurk light years away, hidden in the crushing maw of a black hole or the searing heart of a rogue star? You think true cosmic horror demands a journey beyond the veil of our galaxy. My friends, you are gloriously, terrifyingly mistaken. The most vicious, most unforgiving worlds aren't just out there beyond the reach of our telescopes. They are right here, in our own backyard, orbiting the very giants we gaze at with childish wonder. Worlds that would not just kill you, but annihilate you, shred your very atoms. Places of unimaginable beauty, cloaking unimaginable death. What secrets do these celestial executioners hold within our own solar system? All right, brace yourselves, because the first stop on our tour of terror isn't some far-flung exoplanet. No, it's right here, in our own majestic solar system, orbiting the undisputed king of planets. I give you Io, Jupiter's infernal child, a world of such unbridled, horrifying chaos that it makes the deepest pits of hell look like a tranquil spa. From a distance, Io shimmers like a cosmic tangerine, painted in hues of yellow, orange, and red. Beautiful, isn't it? A deceptive, poisonous beauty. This isn't a moon with a few active volcanoes. This is a moon that is a volcano. Imagine a world where the very ground beneath your feet is a constantly rupturing, churning inferno. We're talking about hundreds of active volcanoes, some spewing plumes of sulfur and sulfur dioxide hundreds of miles into space. Hundreds, not over geological eons, but right now, every single second. This isn't just lava. This is a moon screaming fire and brimstone into the void, a celestial pressure cooker with no safety valve. The secret to Io's torment, the reason for its ceaseless agony, lies with its titanic parent, Jupiter. This gas giant, a behemoth of gravity, plays a cruel cosmic game of tug-of-war with Io and its sister moons, Europa and Ganymede. Io, being closest, gets the worst of it. Jupiter's immense gravitational grip twists and pulls, stretching and squashing Io's rocky interior like a cosmic stress ball. This relentless kneading, this internal friction, generates unimaginable heat. Tidal heating, they call it. It's like bending a paperclip back and forth until it gets hot, but on a planetary scale. The result? Io's core is a molten, roiling cauldron, constantly trying to escape its rocky prison, bursting forth in spectacular, destructive fashion across its entire surface. There are no quiet zones here, no safe havens. The entire moon is a dynamic, volatile canvas of destruction, with lava flows stretching for hundreds of miles, dwarfing anything ever seen on Earth. And if being roasted alive on a planetary grill wasn't enough, Io has another, far more insidious killer lurking around every corner: radiation. Jupiter, remember, isn't just big. It's a magnetic monster. Its magnetosphere, a colossal, invisible shield, traps charged particles from the solar wind and accelerates them to insane speeds, creating a lethal radiation belt that would shred human DNA in seconds. Io swims directly in this deadly soup, constantly bombarded by high-energy electrons and ions. A human body exposed here wouldn't just die, it would literally disintegrate at a cellular level, atoms ripped apart by an invisible, relentless storm. So, even if you could somehow survive the planet-wide volcanic eruptions, the very space surrounding Io would annihilate you. This isn't just a moon, it's a cosmic abattoir, a truly horrifying spectacle of planetary abuse. Now, let's journey from the fiery depths of Io to the frozen abyss of Triton, Neptune's largest moon. If Io is a furnace, Triton is the universe's most exquisite, lethal, deep freeze. Don't let its serene, almost ethereal blue-pink glow fool you. This isn't just cold. This is beyond cold. This is the kind of cold that steals the breath from your lungs before your brain can even register the pain. Triton is a peculiar beast, one of the few large moons in our solar system that orbits its planet backwards in a retrograde motion. This anomaly, this defiance of cosmic convention, screams of a violent past. Scientists believe Triton wasn't born with Neptune, but was a rogue object, a lonely dwarf planet from the Kuiper Belt, captured by Neptune's gravitational snare eons ago. Imagine a cosmic billiard shot, a massive, icy wanderer snagged and forced into orbit, forever bound to a gas giant, but still rebellious in its spin. This capture event would have been cataclysmic, a gravitational wrestling match that would have generated immense internal heat, briefly melting Triton's interior before it slowly, inexorably, froze solid. Today, Triton's surface temperature plunges to a mind-numbing 240 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not just freezing, that's barely above absolute zero, the theoretical lowest temperature possible. At these temperatures, even nitrogen, the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere, freezes solid, forming vast glassy plains of nitrogen ice. Methane and carbon monoxide, also frozen solid, contribute to its bizarre alien landscape. Walking on Triton would be like walking on a continent of blue-white rock-hard dry ice. Your very presence would be an insult to its frozen purity, your breath instantly crystallizing and falling as snow. But here's where Triton unleashes its true silent horror: geysers. Yes, geysers, on a moon that's colder than liquid nitrogen. When Voyager 2 made its historic flyby in 1989, it captured images of dark plumes erupting from Triton's surface, reaching heights of up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles, into its impossibly thin atmosphere. These aren't volcanic eruptions. These are cryovolcanoes, or nitrogen geysers. Scientists believe that beneath the surface, faint sunlight warms and vaporizes pockets of nitrogen ice. As the pressure builds, it finds weak points, cracks in the frozen crust, and erupts in spectacular silent bursts, carrying dark, carbonaceous dust high into the frigid sky. Imagine standing on this frozen wasteland, watching these ghostly dark plumes pierce the sky, propelled by a gas that, on Earth, is invisible. It's a silent, beautiful, yet utterly terrifying ballet of death. These plumes are a constant reminder of the volatile, unstable nature of this seemingly serene world. They are the moon's slow, agonizing exhalation into the void. If you're finding this cosmic tour as chilling as Triton's surface, and as mind-blowing as Io's eruptions, then do me a favor. Shatter that like button and subscribe, because the universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. And now, we sail to a moon that embodies the universe's most tantalizing paradox: Enceladus, Saturn's shimmering, icy gem. For decades, Enceladus was just another frozen pearl in Saturn's vast necklace of moons, small, bright, and utterly unremarkable, a cosmic ice ball, silent and still. But sometimes, the most profound secrets hide in plain sight, veiled by apparent simplicity. Then came Cassini, this intrepid robotic emissary. Our eyes and ears in the Saturnian system began its intricate dance around the ringed giant, and as it swooped closer to Enceladus, something utterly impossible, something that shattered every preconceived notion, came into view. From its southern pole, a series of colossal glittering plumes, like cosmic geysers, were erupting into space. Not a trickle, not a whisper, but massive jets of water ice and vapor, screaming outwards at hundreds of meters per second. This wasn't just a moon, it was a cosmic fountain, a celestial sprinkler system, firing off into the vacuum. The scientific community reverberated. How could this be? A moon so small, so seemingly inert, actively spewing material into space? The implications were staggering. For these plumes to exist, there had to be a powerful internal heat source, and that heat source could only mean one thing: liquid water. Beneath Enceladus's pristine, icy crust, trapped by the crushing vacuum of space and the immense pressure of the ice above, lies a global ocean, a vast salty sea, warmed by tidal forces from Saturn, just like Io's internal furnace. But here, the heat manifests differently. It melts the ice, creating a subterranean reservoir, a hidden world of water. But don't let the thought of an ocean lull you into a false sense of security. The surface of Enceladus is no less deadly than Io or Triton, perhaps even more insidiously so. First, it's still profoundly cold, with surface temperatures plummeting to 200 degrees Celsius, 330 degrees Fahrenheit. The warmth is trapped deep within. Second, there's no atmosphere to speak of. It's a hard vacuum. Step out, and your blood would boil, your lungs collapse, Your body frees solid simultaneously. And then there are the plumes themselves. While they are a beacon of scientific wonder, a tantalizing hint at potential alien life lurking in that hidden ocean, they are also a constant, deadly hazard. Imagine standing on the surface as these super pressurized jets of ice and vapor erupt around you. You wouldn't just be engulfed by a freezing cloud, you'd be pelted by a relentless blizzard of high-velocity ice shards, microscopic shrapnel, traveling at speeds that would rip through any unprotected surface. It's a beautiful, deadly snowstorm, powered by the very lifeblood of the moon. This isn't just an icy world, it's a frozen guillotine, constantly shedding its skin in a violent, dazzling display. A world of such exquisite beauty and profound danger, it forces us to redefine what habitable truly means in the cosmos. All right, prepare yourselves for a world that embodies the universe's cruelest paradox. Europa, Jupiter's second major Galilean moon, Europa, is often hailed as humanity's best shot at finding alien life in our solar system. From afar, it's a pristine alabaster sphere, crisscrossed by enigmatic reddish-brown lines, like a cracked eggshell, a canvas of alien beauty, hinting at mysteries beneath. But don't be fooled by its serene facade. Europa is a deadly jewel, a tantalizing promise, wrapped in an invisible shroud of annihilation. The grand secret of Europa, the reason for our obsession, lies beneath that fractured shell. Scientists have gathered overwhelming evidence, from magnetic field perturbations to surface cracks, that Europa harbors a vast global ocean of liquid water, perhaps twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. This isn't just a subterranean puddle. This is a deep, salty sea, warmed by the relentless gravitational kneading of Jupiter, just like Io. But instead of bursting forth as molten rock, Europa's internal heat creates an aquatic underworld, a potentially habitable zone where water interacts with a rocky core, possibly fueling hydrothermal vents, the very engine of life on Earth's ocean floor. Imagine a world of water hidden from the cosmic glare, a potential cradle for life, right here in our own backyard. But here's the terrifying catch: the ultimate cosmic guard dog protecting this watery Eden, Jupiter's radiation belts. Remember how Io swims in Jupiter's lethal radiation? Europa is even deeper within that maelstrom. It's not just exposed to radiation, it's bathed in it, swimming in a continuous invisible storm of high-energy particles, accelerated to relativistic speeds. If you were to stand on Europa's surface, even for a moment, the radiation dose would be thousands of times what a human can withstand. It wouldn't just make you sick, it would tear apart your very molecular structure in a matter of hours, perhaps even minutes. Sensitive electronics would fry. Human bodies would become irradiated husks. This isn't a visible volcano or a freezing geyser. It's an unseen, omnipresent killer, a silent, deadly force field around the most promising world for life. The quest to explore Europa, to pierce its icy shell and sample its ocean, is therefore a monumental gamble against this invisible executioner. Every probe, every mission concept, every audacious dream of reaching that hidden sea must first contend with this relentless, atomic barrage. It's a cosmic locked-room mystery where the treasure is protected by a force field of pure energy. We're not just trying to land on an alien moon, we're trying to perform delicate surgery in a cosmic particle accelerator. The very conditions that might allow life to thrive below are the same ones that make reaching it an almost suicidal endeavor. Europa is the universe's most exquisite trap, a world of potential teeming life, guarded by an invisible, annihilating storm that screams, "Stay away, this secret is mine." We've journeyed across our own cosmic backyard, from the infernal, agonizing fires of Io to the silent, frigid plumes of Triton, from the hidden, life-promising oceans of Enceladus to the radiation-shrouded enigma of Europa. These aren't just inert rocks, they are active, dynamic worlds, each a unique crucible of cosmic forces, shaping and reshaping themselves in brutal, spectacular ways. They scream at us with their beauty and their terror, challenging our assumptions, forcing us to redefine what life or death truly means in the vastness of space. They are reminders that the most profound mysteries and the most visceral dangers are not always light years away, hidden in the depths of other galaxies. Sometimes they are right next door, orbiting the very giants we gaze at with childish wonder. These moons are testaments to the universe's boundless creativity and its utter indifference to our existence. They wait for us to dare to look closer, to brave their impossible conditions, and to unravel the secrets of their silent, deadly dance. Tell me what you liked or disliked about this video. What do you think could be changed to make it better? I read every comment and will respond to every suggestion.